Okay, so we've got our three multiplications on the board. They are of three different sizes. Okay, so we've got multiplications with tens, and then with some hundreds in here, and then this is two lots of hundreds in there. Now, I'll be honest, I don't think there's any of this size in the test. Okay, but I always think it's good to go through and see who can do it and who is not sure what to do at this stage. Next, how long?
Yeah, how long?
Oh, next week. Yeah. Okay, so when you're multiplying by tens, you know that at some stage you're going to need to do what? Add a zero. Cool. And then to get to your final answer, you're going to need to add two things together. Okay? So we go 2 times 8 is?
16. Wait, I was doing the ones up here.
They're the same. I just set them out. 16. So I put my 6 down, carry my 1.
Yeah. Oh, sorry.
Plus 1. Okay, and that's because I know that then I need to add. So 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1, 5. Great. Okay, and then I'm going to cross that off so I don't accidentally use it second time around. I need to do 0, great. And then 3 times 8 is 4, carry up the 2. 3 times 2 is plus 2. Great. Okay, and then I add my results together. Hands up if you got that correct, please. That's the first one. Great. Excellent. Yes, step up.
Question. No. I don't know how to do that one.
I'll get to that. That's fine. Okay. Hundreds and tens. Who wants to talk me through it? Let's do it that way. Ed?
Okay.
No pressure.
Wait, which number?
Number 2. The second one. Which we generally do after the first one.
Oh, so 8 sevens, 56.
Yep, so
Put down the 6.
Yep.
Carry the 5.
Yep.
Plus 5, yep. Then 8 fours is 32.
Yep.
And then 8 fours. Yeah, then you put down the 2 and then carry the 3. Oh, plus 5.
Right. So that should be a 7, yeah?
Yep.
Did you have 7?
Yep.
Okay.
I'm confused myself.
Plus 3.
Plus 3. And then 8 times 3 is 24.
Yep.
Plus 3
Is?
27.
Great.
Put down the 27. Put down the 0.
Yep.
Then,
I forgot the zeros.
oh yeah, 4. Yeah, 4 times 7.
Yep.
28.
Yep.
Put down the 8 and carry the 2. 4 times 4, 16, but plus the 2, so 18.
Great.
Carry the 1. 4 times 3 is 12, plus 1 is 13.
Yep.
Then it's 6.
Yep.
Then it's 15, but you have to carry the 1.
Yep.
And then it's 16, you have to carry the 1.
Yep.
Then it's 5, then it's 1.
Then it's 6 and it's 1.
Oh, 6.
Super. Yep. Great. So, say if you accidentally added up one of these columns incorrectly at the very end stage, you will probably still get at least half marks for that. Okay, because I'll be able to see where you've made your mistake. Okay, I'm going to go through this one with your help because it's a little bit more lengthy. But congratulations to those boys that recognise that when you get to the 2, you need to add 2 zeros because why? Because it's 200. Right. Okay, so you're going to actually have 1, 2, 3 lines of working and 4th is your answer for this. Okay, so 5 times 7.
35.
Right, 5, carry my 3. 5 times 9. 45 plus 3. 48. Carry 4. 5 times 4 is 20 plus 4. 24. Right. Okay. So the bigger the sum is, the more important it is that you cross out these once you finish with them. Otherwise, we have a bunch of numbers up here. Okay, 0 is now 1 times you by 70. Tens. 7 times 7. Stop that picture. Thanks. 7 sevens. 49. Carry. Put my 9 down. Carry my 4. 7 times 9. 63 plus 4 is
7. So it's 7. 6 because you're adding 4. And then you carry over 6.
7 times 4
28.
plus 6. What?
34. I
Yeah.
have the wrong orders. I have to take the 5 instead of 7.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, check it on your calculator if you actually got the one you wrote down correct. Okay, 2 zeros because you've got 200, and this is the last step in our multiplication part. 2 times 7,
14.
14, put my 4 down, carry my 1. 2 times 9,
18.
plus 1 is 19.
Carry on.
And 2 times 4 plus 9 is 9. Okay, ginormous equation. Yeah, okay. 5, 17. Check if I'm right, please. 16. 16, and
13.
so 136,675, correct? Do you know where?
I did it the wrong way.
Backwards.
I did it backwards. That shouldn't change anything.
You did that the other way.
That
Okay.
shouldn't change
You're
anything.
working out.
Is your final answer incorrect?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. You might have made an error in here somewhere
Yeah.
because it would have swapped the numbers around a little bit.
Next, just
Who's confident with these divisions?
No,
if I can
Before we do them, let's have a look and see if we can estimate what an answer would be. Okay, so if I've got 400 and something and I'm dividing it into 3 groups, whereabouts will my answer be? Less than or more than 100? A little bit more than 100. Probably considering it's got 28 as well, extra. Okay, if I've got this one here, this is nearly 6,000, isn't it? Divided by 4, what might that be? 1,500-ish, yeah. If I've got 30,724 divided by 6,
that's 30,000.
5,000-ish. Yeah, great. Okay, cool. Let's do these questions. 3 goes into 4, how many times? Oh, sorry, actually we're going to do it. We're going to do it.
Can I do something?
Sorry.
3
is 1 time? Yeah.
And 1 next to the 2 for the remainder.
Yeah.
And then 3, how many times 3 goes into 12 is 4.
Yep. Exactly. Great.
Yeah, and then how many times does 3 go into 8 is 12. 2 times.
Yep. 2 gets us to 6, so there's how many?
142 and remainder 2.
2 left over. Awesome. Okay, Tom and Xavier. You're doing these 2. Open your books. So all the more reason to do them now than yet. Okay. Because you can't just not know how to do it, but then not also try and find it out. Okay. So Max has already asked me to do the second one. I just want to stop and say the reason I'm doing these, and I can see some boys are finding this really easy. That's great. Okay. But I just wanted to take stock and make sure that you know what is expected in terms of the difficulty for the exam. Okay? That's coming up next week. That's why we're doing this little section. So, Max, talk us through.
Okay, so 4 into 5 is 1.
Yep.
And then add the 1 next to 9.
And there's one
4
remainder.
into 90 is 4 times remainder 3.
Why did it go so quickly?
4 into 5 is 1. No, 4 into 35
Yep.
is 8 remainder 3.
8, remainder 3.
And then 4 into 31 is 7 remainder 2. 7 remainder 3.
Correct? Is that correct? Is that correct?
Yeah.
Yes, I know the decimals is that one. It's 0.75.
Not if you're yelling out at me. How about we share it, Tom and Archie? I just like to share. Why don't you start at Tom and then I'll switch to Archie and then or not at all. Tom?
6 goes into 3, no time.
Yep.
So you just put 0. Put anything down the bottom. Okay, remainder.
So you've got two choices at this point. You can write a 3 there to represent the 3 you just use and read it as 30. Or you can just read 30.
That's what I
Okay. 6 to 30 is 5.
Yep, 5. Yep.
And then 6 and 7 is 1. Remainder 1.
1 remainder 1.
And then 6 into 2 is. Wait, no, 6 into 12 is.
Sorry?
6 into 12 is 2.
Yep. And then,
6 into 4 is
9.
so what do I do?
Put 0.
0.
And remainder.
Remainder 4. If I didn't put a 0, it would be 512 remainder 4, which we can't be right because you've got 30,000 here. It needs to be 5,000. So Archie, I'm going to put one up here. I want you to spontaneously read it through for me. Okay?
Also, the decimal part and 1 is 6. Carry on.
Yep, so 6 repeated. Yeah. Boys, a little less chatter, please. If I was looking at boys around and they have their book closed, I'm going to ask to see this working before you go to lunch after you come back from library. That is the whole point. If you don't get up to something, sit down. If you don't get up to something during class and we work through the answers, you need to record the answers, yeah? Because then you're thinking it, don't pull out. Stop. Because then you're thinking about it as you're doing it instead of then just copying from the board. Okay. You ready, Archie?
Can I write it? I find it easy to write it.
Sure.
He's happy.
So we've done 4 already. Give me a number between 1 and 10.
5 and 7.
7. Okay. Give me another number under here that's 5 digits long.
5 digits long. Okay. Someone give me a number that's 5 digits long. 6, 4, 9, 8. What is 6, 4, 9, 8. We need one more. 1, 0. 2, 10. 2. Let's go 2. 2, 1. Brilliant. 0. 6, 4, 9. Choose one.
Alright, so just to check Archie's answer now. So we've got 9,284 and then Archie's answered in decimals. Okay, you won't be tested on that in the exam, how to do decimals, but there is a video on the Year 5 website if you're interested in learning how to do that for next year. Okay, so we've got 7 into 6 goes 0 times, 7 into 64 goes 9 times with 1 remainder. 7 into 19 goes twice with 5 remainder. 7 into 58 goes 8 times with 2 remainder. And 7 into 29 goes 4 times. And there is a remainder 1. Okay, so remainders is what we'll be asking you to present your answer in the assessment next week.